Hey guys, Achint here. I just received my parcel today from Sunglass Hut. I was a bit worried about before ordering that whether it will arrive or not, or it will arrive on time or not. Another question I used to come in my mind was if I order it, whether the product is fake or original. So it's right here. Let's have a look. Um, the product just arrived today. I ordered Armani exchange sunglasses from the Sunglass Hut. After reading a lot of views and reviews from the on internet and other sources, I was actually a bit worried. But the good part is I actually ordered it on the date is actually written over here. I ordered it on 25th of October. So as you can see, the pickup date. Um, so that was 25th of October, and the parcel arrived today, and today is 31st of October. So they just took 6 days, and it's Sunday today. I wasn't expecting delivery on Sunday. Yeah, I was just relaxing, and I just got message from DHL courier that you're going to get your parcel today. So a bit surprising. So let's unbox it. Let's see how it goes. So I just adjusted my phone somehow so that everyone can see it properly. I hope you guys find it well. So I just thought to make a video out of that because I think a lot of people have issues with this, whether the parcel will arrive on time or not, whether the parcel, how it comes and how they box it up so that the glasses, which are actually very fragile, they will break or they will be into nice pieces, things like that. A lot of questions come into our mind. So let's unbox it. So that's, I can see it's a nice box and it's nice and heavy. um, there is something written on it and another codes and stuff, quantity one of course, and um, customer number, things like that. Oh, it's a nice box, I can see that. And it's the class is exactly a money exchange which I ordered, of course, yes. And the packaging is itself from Sunglass Hut, and it's a nice bulky package, like it's solid. um, there is another good thing about Sunglass Hut is when we order from there, we have a lot of local stores up here. So another good part is that even if the sunglasses are wrong or you don't like it, then still there is a good chance that we can just go to the nearby stores and we can just return the box as it is to them, and they can help us with the refund and other part, which is actually good. That there is that makes saves our time to pack it up again and to send it back as a parcel or post it to the company. Saves a lot of money and time too. Let's open it up. Okay, there's a nice note from them. Let's see what they have in this. It's a black envelope. Okay, that's nice sticky too. Oh, so that's the return information. Sometimes things just don't work out, and we totally understand. If you are not thrilled with your purchase or you change your mind, you can return it to a full refund. You need a proof of purchase, that is your receipt and shades in original condition. You can either visit the website and return online. Okay, return to store. Yeah, so that's what I was saying. The second thing over here, return to store. Items may not be returned to a Sunglass Hut store inside of Maya, and store must be in the same country of purchase. For additional details about returns, refer to the website. Yeah, so this is something really good part about Sunglass Hut, that whether you don't like it, and yeah, I do have a store next to my house, so it's just 10 minutes walk from here, which is actually good. Yeah, of course, yes, we can return these things to Maya. Um, yeah, let's see. And another good thing about the packaging, they did it really nicely. Oh, I'm actually thrilled about that. Okay, that's the manufacturer, I think. And then, okay, so we got additional information over here. Oh, okay, so this is from Sunglass Hut. This is something good. Is that the, oh yeah, they just give you a nice certificate of authenticity about that the product is genuine and stuff. Um, this is something good too. Okay, and we got some details in over here. Main part. The case is actually really nice from Armani Exchange. It's really nice, strong plastic. It looks like a good quality plastic to me. Um, oh, it is actually nice. The way it opens up. And we got another stuff in over here. Oh, that's a cloth, of course, yes, to clean the glasses. And some other information. I don't want to read it. I don't have much time to read this thing as well. Whoa, it looks good. Let's remove this, and these are actually nice sunnies with oh, yeah, so these are Polaroids, and it's good. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I think we should stop the video over here now. um, I'll be definitely back with some other videos as well. It's just came to my mind that to make a video. I was free, it's Sunday, so nothing else to do. So why not to make a video and show it to you guys that yeah, how we get the deliveries from Sunglass Hut, and hopefully this video sorted out some of your questions, like whether you have in your some other doubts whether you have in your mind that this will work or not, and whether how it goes. Um, so they don't charge anything extra for the delivery. It's a free delivery, and it's a nice, I can see nice sunglasses, and these are really well built. um Armani Exchange, Sunglass. Thanks guys, cheers.